After the magnification, we have one question related to biological drawing. Biological drawing. If you see a biological drawing, it is actually a plan drawing, a type of drawing that is called as plan drawing. In plan drawing, what we do, we draw, it's a drawing of outline of an object. Drawing of outline of an organism of or anything what they will ask, organism or part of organism. Or part of organism. They can ask you to draw the biological drawing of insect, part of the insect, fruit, leaf, root, anything, any part of in our body, like blood vessels, or even sometimes they can ask you to draw any tissues or leaf. That is called as biological drawing. Now there are some rules, you have to remember the rules. So these are the general rules. General rules for biological drawing. What are the different rules for biological drawing? Like, we have use a sharp pencil, draw all parts, don't miss any part. And you don't need to be a good painter or a professional, but draw all parts. Draw outline, and do not draw too much details. And also draw clear lines and complete lines. We have do not shade or color. We should not use color pencils. And also draw at least 50% larger drawing than original object they give, original image we can say. And also do not draw individual cells. We should not draw individual cells. And also make 2 to 3 labels. And draw to the scale. And the last point is, make a drawing at least, or use 75% or 3/4 of space provided. Do you understand? So these things we have to keep in our mind. Use a sharp pencil, draw all parts, draw outline, draw clear and complete lines, do not shade or color, draw at least 50% larger drawing than the original image. Do not draw individual cells, make 2 to 3 labels, draw to the scale, use 70% or 3/4 of space provided. For example, I make an example for you. Here is a copy, I copied it. So you can see here, in this way you can make a drawing. But here we can do one thing, we can label it, this epidermis, this is xylem because it is root, this is an image of a root, yani carrot plant, image of a root. So we can write here cortex. And here is only the outline, yani you have to draw only here, yani this is the outline. Wherever you are seeing the layers, so you have to draw it. This is one layer and this is another layer, you can see here, see this is another layer, and here is one more layer. Even you can do it like this in the form of dotted lines. Okay, and inner side you can see it like this. This way. So if I will copy it outside, you can see it how it is formed. So you can see this in this way. But here is why I draw it for you, so that I want you to understand some mistakes. For example, this is an error. Here is an error. Here is an error. Here is an error. So these are errors which I make. There is an error. So these are error because I did not draw the complete lines. So this is an error. So we should avoid these errors during our drawings. And also we should draw complete lines. For example, if I should not shade, and if I draw like this, I draw two times, like I will start drawing like this, so this is an error. Or I will sometimes I am drawing like uneven length of the, for example I will draw it like this is an error, so I will mention this also. So this is an error here. These are errors. All of them I mentioned, these are errors. So in this way we should make a drawing. Okay, thank you for the class. If you have any question, you can ask me later on.